everyone, Miami Seaquarium is back at it again. We are busy preparing for our tropical storm prep here in our Flamingo yard in particular. Everybody has moved inside where they are nice and tucked in for the night. We plan on returning them back out into the Flamingo yard once the Hurricane Ian has safely passed over on our west coast. We're thinking of all of our friends and family out there. Stay safe, everyone, and we will see you soon when we move our flamingos back out.